Hello, this is Mr. Loreline with the weekly roundup for Language Arts 7 from September 28th until October 2nd. So, on Monday we are going to go back to dialogue and get back to our narrative essay and make sure that we add 5 pieces of dialogue, especially going over dialogue that we may have already added, and make sure that everything is punctuated correctly. Then we're going to fix and edit our essay and have a little quizzes on dialogue, and of course the final draft is going to be due by Tuesday. On the 29th, to kind of give us a little breather in between our 2 writing assignments, we're going to have a Newsela article that we're going to read. It's going to be about should we have zoos, and have a little debate question at the very end about whether you believe we should have zoos or not, because of course that kind of goes into a little bit about our research topic, which is going to be about an animal that is at the Mesker Park Zoo, which you are going to be doing a research essay, a research presentation, sorry about that. On Thursday, you are going to be working on paraphrasing source practice, because of course we're going to have to learn how to paraphrase our information for our presentation. And we're going to continue that paraphrasing practice on Friday, and then look over some notes on what exactly is going to be a reliable source. Because of course if we're going to have a presentation over a research topic, we need to make sure that we are finding reliable and accurate sources for that information. So that is your weekly roundup for this week.